How to change camera view in Minecraft. So for Bedrock, what you need to do is just simply click on F5 on your keyboard. So there are two options right here, the back view third person and the front view third person. And you want to go back to first person, just go click on F5 till you go back to the first person view. And for Bedrock, what you need to do is just simply go to your settings. So click on escape, then go to settings. Scroll down to see the video panel right here. Click on that, and as you can see, the camera perspective. When you click on that, you will see three options. So the first one is first person, which is the default one. Next is the third person back. And when we go back, as you can see, it is set to third person. And when you go back to the video and click on third person front, it shows the front view of the third person perspective, just like that. So if you want to go back, just simply go to video again and check on first person. As you can see, you are now on the default perspective. That's how I basically change perspectives or views in Minecraft.